Hello and welcome to a new video from Digi Design Resort. My name is Monia, and in this video I want to show you how to create this beautiful card with the help of some digital scrapbooking elements and a paper. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before I show you the needed material, I would like to invite you to first subscribe to our channel, click the little bell so you are notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the like button. And once this is out of your way, here is the material you will need to create this beautiful card. This is a printable I've created and which is linked under this video, and you can get it and just use it and print it at home on your computer. We are going to use these elements and paper from the kit Sunshine Ahead, which is also available in our store. I leave the link below as well. And then last but not least, we need some craft material, which is a skizzer, a glue stick and dual adhesive foam mount to make it all looking like a 3D pad or a 3D card. So once you have all material together, let's get started. Depending on what size you want your card in, you could use this paper folder, but I just do it in the middle and then I use the folder to make a middle line to fold it actually there, but you don't have to use that. You can totally do it without that. And once you have done that, you see how much space you have to decorate your card. And this is a moment when you can start cutting out all the elements from your paper. Make sure you leave a little frame around it, a line here, a stroke, just because it's much easier to cut it out. And I also think it looks nice later. It looks like a sticker actually, and that is what I prefer for this card to make it look like. You can of course cut it very precisely, but be sure it is pretty hard, especially with the plant here. As you can see, it's very tricky then to cut it out right. So make a thought through decision here at this point. So I want to put the trunk in the background and place the little bear in front of it. That's why I first cut it out now. And I don't want to have it in 3D. I just put some glue on it and put it in the background. Of course you don't have to, but I use here a piece of paper to put the glue on it. It makes it much cleaner actually. So that's why I place a foam mount behind the bear on the back side. And that makes it look a little bit like 3D. So when I place it everywhere, make sure you do not just put it at one part or two, just make sure you have it all around the bear. And then you place it in front of your trunk and it really gets a 3D impression here. And now I'm just playing around a bit with the grass here, just because, I don't know if I put it all, and so I just go ahead and cut it out and put it on the card, but maybe I don't use it all. You never know. So here's a pot, and that one I definitely use, and I put next to the bear. And then I also want to place a little bit of grass behind that, but it comes later. basically that's it. You just decorate the card to your own liking. There are endless possibilities even with these few elements, of course. So you see me placing here a little bit more grass behind the pot, and then I also put the tag on top, and I thought I could put the wording on the bottom, but you know, I leave it out for now because I don't like it that much anymore. But you can totally do that, or you can totally make it completely different and then have it in another way. Yeah, that's it from me for today. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if so, I hope to see you in the next one. Until then, please stay safe, healthy, and definitely stay at home for now. In this pandemic, it's a good idea to stay at home and maybe do some crafts, create some cards and send them over to your loved ones. We can't see right now, but we will soon. Okay, looking forward to until next time. Bye.